Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to know if your WhatsApp account is hacked. It's a very simple and easy process to know it, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the WhatsApp. Launch the app. Once you're in WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to know if someone else is using your WhatsApp, you need to go to the settings first. Here you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now select linked devices from here. In this page, you will see all the linked devices to your WhatsApp account. I've only linked my WhatsApp account to the desktop application, so it is showing me as a Windows over here. If there is any unknown devices using your WhatsApp account, then it will show up over here. If you suspect anyone else using your account, then you can simply tap on that particular device. It will show you all the details of the activity and what device it is logged in with. If you don't recognize that device, and if potentially your account is hacked, what you can do is you can choose this logout option. It will log out your WhatsApp account from that particular device, and there you go. Your account will be now secured. So that's how you can know if your WhatsApp account is hacked. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.